Hello and welcome to this video about multi-head weighers. Multi-head weighers are commonly used in industries such as food processing, pharmaceuticals, and chemical manufacturing, where precise weight control is important. So, what exactly are multi-head weighers and how do they work? Well, multi-head weighers use multiple scales to weigh and dispense products into containers or bags. These scales are arranged in a line or circular configuration, and are able to operate at high speeds, with some models capable of weighing and packaging up to 100 items per minute. One of the key benefits of multi-head weighers is their accuracy. These systems are typically accurate to within plus or minus 0.1 to 0.5 grams, ensuring that your products are always accurately weighed and packaged. But multi-head weighers are not just fast and accurate, they are also extremely versatile. They can handle a wide range of products, including those with irregular shapes and sizes, as well as products with different densities and flow characteristics. In terms of ease of use, multi-head weighers are designed to be user-friendly and easy to maintain. They have a simple interface and come with detailed operating instructions, making them easy to set up and operate. Finally, many multi-head weighers are customizable, allowing businesses to configure them to meet their specific needs. This includes the ability to change the number and type of scales, as well as the size and shape of the containers or bags being used. So there you have it, a brief overview of multi-head weighers and how they can help your business accurately and efficiently package food and snack products. Thanks for watching.